The best way to predict your future is to create it, and the best way to appreciate your journey is to enjoy it. So, hello everyone, it's me, Sanya Sheikh, standing in front of you to talk on a wonderful topic that is given to me by the judges. So, I insist, judges, to please give me a topic.
I want to like to hear on value of time.
So, time is the most important thing that we all have in our life. You know, everyone, they have equal time in their life, but how they use it, it makes them different. Like Ambani ji, they have the same time, we have the same time, a student have same time, and even an employee, he have same time. But you know, how we use it, it makes us different. If a person, he uses his time wisely, then he can become a very successful person. Like, let's imagine a businessman. You know, a businessman, he wisely invests his time on his business. That's why he is able to grow his business. And you know, an employee, he uses his time to grow his company, and in that way, time helps him to grow. And you know, a student, he invests his time in studying, and in the future, he becomes successful. And that's why I truly believe that time is the most important thing that we humans have in our life. So invest your time wisely, and you will get something back because of that. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yes, any question?
Sanya,
Yes, sir.
you used the term invest.
Yes, sir.
How is it different from sparing time or passing on time?
You know, sir, passing on time is just like we are passing it and we are not doing anything. And to invest it means to, it is investing it in the future and to do something in your life. And the person who just spare his time, he can do nothing. And the person who invests his time, he can do anything in his life.
Okay, so actually investing time gives you some output,
Yes,
some
yes.
productivity is there.
Yes, sir.
That's the difference.
It
Yes.
makes you successful.
Yes, it ultimately makes you
sir.
successful. That's fine. Any other
Yes.
question?
Yes, Ania.
Yes, sir.
We had having two type of times. One we had expanded, that is called past, and one which we have to believe in the future.
Yes, sir.
So, when you are in present, so where you are spending your time, so thinking about past or planning your future,
Yes.
So if
or living presently,
Yes.
where?
So if I talk about myself, so I invest my time in the present. Like as if I spend my time in the present, so I will be able to become successful. But if I think about what happened with me in the past, then I will never be able to grow. Because the person who thinks about the past can never grow in his life. And the person who just thinks that I will become this, that in the future, he or she can also not become successful because they are just thinking about the future. They are not doing something to create a bright future.
Actually, that's the difference that the first question had. Like, just thinking about something, whether you are doing or not, is secondary.
Yes.
And when you are actually doing on that thinking, when you are actually implementing your thoughts, then you are actually investing. Just
Yes,
thinking is not investing.
Yes, sir.
That's the difference.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much,
Thank
Sania.
you, judges.